Hello and welcome to the Scatterable channel, and today we are here at the SAMA suite for Computex 2026. I'm going to be showing off some PC cases, some coolers, and some other things. And I thought it'd be worth bringing up because SAMA are trying harder for their PC cases to make high-end premium stuff, but at a budget cost. One of those being the V80. This is essentially their Halo PC case. It is a fish tank dual chamber PC case, but we have in this way like a triple glass layout with this showcase here on the bottom. And one other cool thing you guys might be able to catch on camera is that the bottom of this PC case is slightly illuminated, which not that many PC cases are doing. But otherwise, you're given two pre-included fans because, again, right here, this is all glass, but you can throw in your own AIO here on the top. This is definitely a showcase PC case, but I think the price for this is $149.99. But anyways, that is the V80. There is something smaller because now I want to show you the V70. Now this right here is the V70. This is one step down below the regular V80. This here comes with 5 included case fans, and as you can tell, it's not a triple glass that wraps around the front of the PC case. It's just a dual glass. But again, single panel. This is not being split. What I find really unique about the V70 that is shown in a few other cases here is that you're given this additional fan right here below the power supply, which not that many cases are able to squeeze that sort of fan in that spot. So that's an interesting choice here from SAMA as well, just to give you a little bit more additional airflow. And I should mention with all these cases I'm going to show you, they come with their own pre-included and pre-routed and pre-cabled fan and RGB controller, which is really nice. Because again, that price point for all these SAMA cases are going to come with a lot of case fans pre-installed. But this is the V70. I think the price is $129.99. So if you think this is worth the price, let me know in the comments. But let me show you some more PC cases from SAMA. So those two are the V80 and the V70. Those are coming out in a little bit. But this here is the S50. This is already out. It's not technically new. I want to cover it because it is my favorite case here at the booth. It's $109.99, comes with 5 pre-included fans that are already pre-wired, pre-routed, and I like the design. And actually, this case can theoretically hold up to 11 case fans. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's a lot. That's going to be a bunch of airflow. But again, I like this front panel look right here. A lot of these dual chamber PC cases or half chamber, they usually just have some boring flat to the front of their PC case. And I don't like that. I want case brands to do something unique right here. So what SAMA have going is that they have this split that shows the literal physical divide between the two chambers. But I like this rib layout here on the right side. And with the black and the mesh, it's got like a clean industrial look. Anyways, that is the S50, $109.99 with 5 included fans. Would you get this? I might get this just for the looks, but I'm curious to see how it stacks up to the rest of the case market. If we want to talk more about affordable PC cases, we have the V52 right here. This is $89.99 and comes with, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pre-included fans. That's a lot for the price. But again, this is a dual chamber layout. The power supply is fit right behind the CPU, so that's going to be quite interesting to see how CPU temps play out. But otherwise, it's just a bunch of fans in a big dual glass, dual chamber design case for a relatively affordable price. And I want to finish out with the last PC case here from SAMA, the V62. This is already out. It's similar to the V52 that I just showed you, but we have this curved design right here at the bottom, which is pretty neat. Once again, it comes with 7 pre-included case fans. It's the same layout as the V52, but note this curved panel right here, which you're not getting in the V52. This is already out, and I think you have, yep, a bottom-mounted I/O design. But anyways, it's just a variation on the V52. Now I want to show you one of the weirdest coolers I've ever seen. And if you're a fan of Beyblade, you're gonna like this. This is the Q40. This is a new AIO from SAMA. And look at that. You have these spinny circles and almost blades that are around the CPU pump. I've never seen another all-in-one water cooler pull an effect like this off. And I was curious, like, how is this being powered? And turns out the pump is powering this, and it still uses 2 cables. One of those just being the regular pump header and the ARGB connector, and I think some sort of data cable as well. So I'm kind of surprised. Like, this is a lot of like making use out of the pump and the additional power that's provided by that, by powering this cool little effect with their coolers. Anyways, that is the Q40. Note, they're also increasing the thickness for the radiator and the fans, so that's gonna help additional cooling for your CPU. There's one more cooler I wanna show off. In this PC case is the Q80. This is a hot swappable display, all-in-one water cooler that either comes in a 4-inch size, like what I have here, or the 6-inch. Again, these are customizable. You can change the information and the look of these through the software that SAMA provides. And once again, the actual AIO has similar characteristics to the Q40. It's got increased thickness on the fans and the radiator for increased performance. But for those of you who want to have a display, since that is the trend going on right now for water coolers, SAMA are going to be able to provide that with the Q80. And I think the price point is actually pretty attractive too. It's not too expensive given the display that you're getting. Now, to finish out the suite and all the products here from SAMA, I just want to quickly briefly highlight their power supplies. Their 1200 watt unit here has not only gotten awards, but it's selling pretty well. And so SAMA were like, okay, let's do that, but let's increase the wattage to 1350 and now 1650. And this is the highest you can go if you live in the United States, 1650 watts. 80 plus titanium. You have included 12 volt power connectors for graphics cards and such. 100% Japanese capacitors. And I mean, seriously, there's just so many connectors on this. You'll be able to power pretty much anything. But anyways, they're updating their power supplies. P stands for platinum and titanium. G stands for gold. And I think more or less, that's all I got to show you guys here at the SAMA suite at Computex. So once again, let me know your thoughts on these new products. Thank you so much for watching. And this is the Scatterable channel, signing out.